This is Petalida, one of our favorite islands to catch lizards on. The vegetation is like a carpet, plush and not too much higher than my ankles. Now it's further south than the others and nestled close to Antiparos, which means we need a ride from Captain Rolfos to get out here. Petalida actually means limpet in Greek, and you can kind of see it rises out of the sea like a shell. It's a little hard to tell, but some of those cliffs are steep, making scrambling around chasing lizards pretty tough. Here's what one of those lizard chases looks like from above. We fan out, combing the island until somebody sees a lizard take off at a dash. Now this year my pedometer said we walked over 6 miles combing this tiny island for lizards. Hey, we got one!